This is Apurv Jain. I have completed Bachelor's of Technology in Computer Science stream from GL University, Mathura. During the campus placements, I got placed in multiple MNCs with the help of training and grooming given by Illuminate Minds. But due to some sort of recession in the market, my joining got delayed. And fortunately, I got an opportunity to work with Illuminate Minds as Technical Campus Recruitment Trainer. I worked with Illuminate Minds for more than a year and then I joined Tech Mahindra as Associate Software Engineer. Within less than 2 years, I got awarded with 6 plus organizational awards in Tech Mahindra Limited and currently serving Tech Mahindra as Software Engineer. So, the prime motive of me interacting with you is to give you some insights how to crack technical rounds in the drives of major IT giants like TCS, Infosys, Wipro, Tech Mahindra, etc. Most of you, especially freshers, feel it difficult how to crack such technical rounds in the drives of these IT giants. Basically, if we combine all these drives, we reach out to the conclusion that there are only 3 rounds that are going to be in the part of these drives. The first one is technical MCQ, the second one is technical coding, and the third one is technical interview. Now let's take up these rounds in detail. First of all, let's talk about technical MCQ round. The first question that arises in everyone's mind is that why these IT giants are asking technical MCQs when they are allowing non-CSIT in their drives as well. If we look in detail, most of you think that because they are IT giants, they are looking for technical MCQs. But if you ask me, I'll say no, because they are looking for your problem solving skills. They are looking for your basic concepts. So if you want to crack technical MCQ for any IT giants, yeah, I know that you need to look into the technical aspects as well, but first of all focus on your basic concepts and your basic problem solving skills, because if we look into these questions in detail, probably the most of the questions are how to find the output of a program, what is the error in this program, what would be the output of this algorithm. So if we look about these in details, they are actually trying to ask you that can you please decode this question, can you please tell me the answer of this problem. So they are looking for a problem solving skills. However, technical aspects are important, but only basic technical aspects can make you go through these rounds well and can make you crack these rounds. Okay, so now let's take up coding round in detail. If we talk about this round, most of the freshers, especially non-CSIT, they find it difficult and they say that I don't know how to write programs, I don't know any programming language, I haven't written any program till now, I can't crack this round. So my suggestion to you guys is the basic funda behind this round and the basic approach to crack this round is just learn the syntax of any one programming language in which you are comfortable. Just learn any one programming language and you can crack this round, because most of these giants, these IT giants, they have a compiler that supports multiple programming languages and you can write the program in any programming language in which you are comfortable. There would be a problem in front of your screen, you just need to understand the problem, you just need to decode that problem, you just need to reach out to the solution of that problem and can write into any programming language in which you are comfortable with. So the basic approach and the basic solution to crack this round is just learn one programming language and enhance your problem solving skills. If you are good in solving any problem in real world, in mathematics, in anywhere, you can write it anytime in any particular programming language in which you are comfortable with. So guys, it is very easy to crack this round. Just focus on one programming language and your problem solving skill. There is a problem in front of you, you know how to write the solution of it, then you can write it in technical language as well in which you are comfortable with. Okay, so now let's take up technical interview round in detail. uh, we can't say that this round is easy or we can't say that this round is going to be the difficult one, because it completely depends on the candidate who is sitting in an interview. Being a fresher, expectations of interviewer would be less from you, because they know that your knowledge domain is quite less, because they can't ask you anything, no. So expectations from non CSIT would be very less, but expectations from CSIT guys would be bit high. So my suggestion, my advice to you guys is just go through your resume, what you have written in resume very well in advance, and write only those technologies, only those projects, only those subjects in your resume of which you are well aware about. Just go through your projects very well in detail and present only those things in resume which you are comfortable with, and you can answer any question from those domains and those technologies or those projects. For CSIT guys, your mini projects, your major projects which you have done in your BTech curriculum would be the part of your technical interview, would be the part of the questions the interviewer is going to ask you. So go through your projects very well in detail. And if we talk about non-CSIT guys, just go through the basic concepts of CSIT, like what is a variable, what is an function, how to declare a function public, private, all these things, data types, identifiers. This can be the basic questions that can be asked from you, because they know that you haven't studied about CSIT, so they can ask you only the basic concepts. So you can go through any website, go through any book, and can understand the basic concepts. So we guys, we at Illuminate Minds, we have created a best course for you uh, that can help you very well to crack any technical interview, and we have provided a link of that in our description. I have done some research, our team has done some research, we have curated the best questions that is going to be the part of technical rounds, and we have created a wonderful course for you guys to help you to crack any technical interview, any technical round in any drive of any IT giant, and the link is provided in the description. And the one most important point I would like to add here for technical interview, that guys, don't do any fake acting, that sir, I have understood, I know this question, I know how to answer this, just let me remind it. If you think that you just know that answer, then only think about it. If you don't know about it, an interviewer is very much experienced, and he can crack it anytime that you are doing a fake acting, and it can be a negative impact for you. So my suggestion to you is that be positive, be optimistic, and be real in interview, and you can crack interview at any time. Thank you so much. I hope that these points would help you to crack any technical round in any drive of any IT giant. Thank you guys.